Hi friend, do you know how Facebook, LinkedIn makes you addicted for scrolling more and more? How they keep on showing you the posts which you are already interested in? That is because of something click stream analysis. So after completing this video, you will be able to explain how we can achieve click stream analysis using AWS. So let's start exploring. What is click stream analysis? By the end of this, you will be having a very clear understanding of this concept. Imagine you are using Facebook like app, Instagram, Facebook, okay, and that application has some front end, back end, and database, okay, and this all hosted in AWS, suppose. So as you scroll in the Facebook, you pause for a second to read some post, or maybe you clicked on some post, okay, very simple, right? But listen carefully. Behind the scenes, the Facebook system quietly records your behavior. Every click, pause, scroll, everything Facebook will be capturing in real time. Why Facebook is capturing your actions? So that in the future, the Facebook app can show you more relevant posts or ads based on your current behavior. Okay, so that you will spend more and more and more time on Facebook, and that what they want. This entire process of capturing and analyzing user activity is called click stream analysis. Now inside click stream analysis there are 5 steps. First step is data generation, which is basically user interaction. Whatever you scroll, click, search as a user, all your actions are generating the data, like are generating some, like you clicked on some post, so okay, you have clicked on some post, some data is generated, right, for analysis. Second step is data ingestion. So your actions first, you first making the actions, right, here user interaction, that action will generate the data, so that data will be passed to further system, so that data will be converted into meaningful information. So that step is ingestion. Then we have data processing. So basically now your raw data will be cleaned, filtered, and everything will be done in the data processing step. Next is data storage. So when your data is cleaned, whatever action you have performed in Facebook, then it will be stored, okay, so that it can be later analyzed. And that is the 5th step, data analysis. Okay, meaning the stored data will be analyzed and decision will be made based on these data analysis. So what kind of decisions, like to personalize what content you want to this user we have to show in the future. So that is a very high level overview of click stream analysis. And yes, as I said, big players like Facebook, Google, Instagram, Amazon, everything do this to improve your experience on their website or mobile apps, okay. And yes, I will show in detail how these each step is performed by using some tools in the upcoming questions. But before that, here is the simple definition. Click stream analysis is the process of capturing, processing, and analyzing user interaction on a website or application to understand user behavior and show them better content and ads in future. Both this diagram and definition will help you in revising from the book later. Now the main question is, what are the tools which AWS provides will help you in performing these steps for click stream analysis? Okay, what are those tools which AWS provides? So that tools I will show you in the upcoming question one by one. Now if you understand this video, then there are AWS tools which will help you in performing the each step of click stream analysis like this. These tools I have explained in my complete AWS interview bootcamp. Many of my students have already used my courses to crack their interviews. Now, if you don't want to miss a single question for your next interview, then check out the bootcamp and book link in the description below.